To change the language with the new update of our Instagram app, go to our Instagram application. Once in the application, we will go to our profile and click on these 3 lines in the upper right corner. After clicking on the lines, we will see this menu and click on Settings and Privacy, the first option. In this settings menu, slide down and continue down until you reach the category of Your App and Media. In this category, click on Language. The third option in this category, here we can choose the language of our Instagram application, either through this big list or from the search engine located at the top. It is important to close the application and reopen it after choosing a language so that all the text of the application with the new language chosen. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and give a big like. See you in future tutorials about social networks here in Social Pro Tutorials. Thanks for watching us.